funky.
Hi everyone. But okay guys, I'm in front of my laptop tossing up if I should just because Aion he's at that stage where he is starting to eat solids and he needs to be on a high chair because it's really inconvenient me like trying to feed him. As you guys have seen in my previous videos, I'm like just holding him trying to feed him, and it's kind of really inconvenient, so I need a high chair for him. I'm just tossing up between ordering it online and getting it delivered here or actually going to Baby Bunting, and I'm leaning towards getting a Stokke Tripp high chair. I didn't end up ordering Aion's high chair yesterday. I actually ended up ordering it at like 3 a.m. this morning after I was feeding Aion. But anyways, I thought it was gonna get here after a month, but for some reason, I don't even know, I got an email saying that it's gonna come tomorrow. I'm so excited. Yay everyone, his high chair arrived this morning, so we are gonna assemble it and I'll bring you guys with me. Okay, good morning guys. So Aion's package finally arrived. It's his high chair. And there's this box. And there's this bigger box. But I'm gonna try and assemble it, and there's Aion there just lying there playing. Let's open the small box first. Oh my goodness. Ooh. So this box, three things in it. First one. Oh, this is a cushion. You see it? This one is the jewelry. I got the bundle, guys, so everything should be in here. This one's just like the straps and everything. And that's it. How do we open this? Guys, I can't figure out how this goes into here. Finally! Okay guys, after all this mess and like 2 hours of on and off trying to do this, finally got everything on. My goodness. Look. Oh, that's like the back of the thing that goes on that. But oh my goodness, finally it's all done. And it took us so long to try and figure out how to put this strap through here, but actually this thing comes off. Look at the back of it. So this is what the high chair looks like without the tray table. I'm gonna show you guys closely. These things just come off because it has like a sticky thing and it just sticks onto there. And also this just goes over the back seat. And yeah, so this is just the straps to keep the baby secure. And that's just that. So I'm just going to show you guys how the tray table attaches to this. And as you guys can see, it's here. And can you guys see this thing? Yeah. So that thing just latches onto this part. You just align it, and then you push it down, and then once you hear the click, it's like safely attached there. So I'm going to tell you guys some issues that I had while trying to assemble this thing. Firstly, let me show you guys the instructions. So here are the instructions, guys. Like, there's no words on it. It's just a whole bunch of images. And I'm pretty good at following images, but then once I assembled the chair part, like the wooden part, at the very end of the assembly bit is this. I already tightened all the screws for the chair because I assumed that these two steps just like come in and out, but no, it doesn't, guys. It's like really hard to put in through, and you have to actually keep your screws not too tight, and so you can slide it in and out. And then once it's in there and you've adjusted it according to your baby's size, that's when you actually tighten all the screws. And I made the mistake of tightening it, so guys, so it took me an extra like 20-30 minutes to get everything done. Okay guys, so I bought the actual chair itself, the tray table, and the strap as a bundle on Baby Village for, how much was it? $400 something. I'll try and put how much it actually is, guys, somewhere on the side. And the cushion, this cushion actually comes separate, and this is, I think, around $75. But yeah, this thing is so sturdy, guys. Your baby can use this when they're older because it actually turns into like a chair. But that's that. And those extension to the legs, guys, comes with the baby set, so you don't need to buy those extra. Also, these cushions come in like gazillion different colors. I just got this one because this one, I like the color of that one. It's like clovers. And you can also customize what color chair you want. There's like black, white, whatever colors. And then also there's different colors for the tray table as well as the seat itself. The seat underneath here is actually white. Also, this comes with a 7-year warranty, guys, so it's good. I hope Aion doesn't break it anytime soon. This guy's cheeks are red because he just fed, but wow! Hello! Are you happy with your new high chair?